So hi everybody, Anup here from Indian Motorhead. So KTM finally pulled the curtains off the 2023 Adventure 390. To be very honest with you, I was a little disappointed when I saw the final reveal because I was expecting a little bit more from the 2023 Adventure 390 because fundamentally the bike remains almost the same as the outgoing. I wouldn't really call the outgoing version but the previous version. So what KTM has done for the 2023 models is that they've given an option of spoke rims, which I think a lot of people started asking about it all the way back in 2020 February when the bike was launched, and a lot of people have already put spoke rims on their motorcycles from aftermarket. So don't really see it as a groundbreaking improvement that they've done, even though the spoke rims are a blessing when you're looking at going off-road. But then comes another issue that it still is the 1917 combination, right? I would have expected them to give a 21-inch because if you're looking at an adventure version of the already adventure ready motorcycle, I would have liked a 21-inch, right? But yeah, it's gonna rob away the feeling of the motorcycle on the road as well, right? But what KTM is gonna do is they're gonna sell both the alloy version and the spoke rim version side by side, so people can choose. I think the other thing I would be really looking forward to is if they can offer the adjustable suspension for at least the spoke rim version, because that gives the riders a little bit more control of how they want their suspensions to be set up when they're riding off-road. So that's again another thing I did not see on the commercial, but if KTM decides to do it, that's a thumbs up, right? I would be still looking forward to the rally version, which I'm going to put it up on the screen, which is seen around testing, and I can see a lot of spy shots coming in as well, not from India but abroad. So I'm still looking forward to that motorcycle, and I think KTM will definitely bring that into production, because we are hearing that they've dropped the plan of the 490s. So this rally version, or the adventure plus version if you want to call it, is going to be a savior for KTM 390. But I've been an owner of KTM 390 Adventure. I've owned it for 2 years, did about 35,000 kilometers, a brilliant motorcycle for touring, and you can also do some crazy stuff with it. Yeah, this spoke rims might really help enhance the way you can ride it off-road. So looking forward to probably test drive one. And what are your guys' thoughts on the Adventure 390 for 2023? Would you have expected a little bit more from KTM? Maybe a little bit more off-road kit, if you can say so? Or are you really happy with what KTM is doing right now? So do let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely be happy to look at it. So ciao.